Il-whistleblower Russa li hija eks-impjegata tal-Bank Pilatus ikkonfermat f'intervista li d-dokumenti dwar il-kumpanija Egrant tal-mara tal-Prim Ministru jeżistu u li hi rathom. Saħansitra dawn id-dokumenti kienu scanned.
I can say that copies exist. This is the only thing that I can say. To not put myself in a trouble.
Il-whistleblower li l-identità tagħha qed tkun mistura kienet intervistata mill-programm in-depth fuq is-sit elettroniku independent.com.mt fejn tkellmet dwar l-esperjenza tagħha meta kienet taħdem mal-Bank Pilatus f'Taxbiex. Hi ma kkumentax fid-dettall dwar id-dokumenti ta' Egrant għaliex il-maġistrat inkwirenti Aaron Buġejja ordnala ma titkellimx fil-pubbliku dwar it-testimonjanza tagħha. L-eks-impjegata ta' Pilatus qalet li kienet qed titkellem għaliex itemmen li l-affarijiet iridu jsiru sewwa skont il-prinċipji li jitemmen fihom, il-prinċipji tas-sewwa. Il-whistleblower qalet li kienet innotat diversi movimenti suspettużi meta kienet taħdem il-bank li ma kinux normali. Dak iż-żmien imma kienitx għadha mħarġa biżżejjed fuq il-proċeduri ta' emails u proċeduri oħra ta' compliance għaliex hi kienet konfermata bħala Money Laundering Compliance Officer riċentement. Kien biss riċentement li saret konxja minn dak li kien qed iseħħ fil-bank.
Some movements and actions that were happening in the bank, which, to my knowledge, were to my as far as I could understand, they were not very normal for a financial institution. But the thing is, by the time I was working in the bank, I wasn't really trained on some EML and compliance procedures. I got recently certified last February. I got my AML certification. Now I'm certified money laundering reporting officer. So only recently I realized what was exactly going on in the bank.
Dwar il-persuni li jirat fil-bank, l-eks-impjegata tal-Pilatus qalet li Brian Tonna kien iżur il-bank regolarment.
Brian Tonna came frequently?
Yes, he was quite frequent visitor there.
And did you ever meet him and speak to him?
Yes, because I was assistant to the chairman and he was meeting chairman mostly. So it was my job to welcome him and accompany him to the conference room, offering him drinks while he was waiting for the chairman.
Dwar Egrant isostniet li din kienet kumpanija li kienet qed tingħata attenzjoni partikolari mill-Pilatus. Il-whistleblower tkellmet fid-dettall dwar kif mexa magħha l-bank u qalet li minkejja li kienet taħdem mal-Pilatus għal ftit xhur hi kienet fdata f'diversi impenji. L-eks-impjegata tal-bank qalet li bħalissa għad għandha l-passaport tagħha miżmum anke minkejja li l-ambaxxata Russa għamlet oġġezzjoni mal-Gvern Malti dwar dan. Skont il-whistleblower, il-Ministeru għall-Affarijiet Barranin qed jinjora din it-talba tal-ambaxxata Russa.